Hey guys, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we are on an adventure. We are heading out to a local city park to check out some problems that we had about a month ago with their sewer system. So join me. And we made it. Today we are at Castaways Point Park, the city of Palm Bay. This is a nice little park located right down here in the harbor. It's not a big park, but it is pretty busy today. People come down to launch kayaks and do all that stuff. We're going to check out what they had a problem with. They called me a couple months ago, and we're going to review that problem, and you're going to see some crazy stuff. So here at the park, there's a couple bathrooms, as you see sitting here. There's the river right behind it. We're going to go check that out in a minute. They called me because they have problems on a regular basis with these toilets backing up. So we're going to show you the layout of this place, and then I'm going to do you a walkthrough on how this sewer system is set up. Okay, so that's kind of layout of the park here. It's kind of busy this morning, Saturday morning. And there's some rain in the area, so we're going to have to play that by ear. Let's check out why I came down here in the first place. As you guys saw, they have two bathrooms, men's and women's, and there's a box in the ground. See that? That's a sewer clean out. Now follow me. That sewer line goes from the bathroom straight out across the driveway in that direction. There's a problem I'm going to show you here within a few feet, right underneath the driveway. When I was out here a couple months ago, right about here, there's a break in the pipe. So we followed that through, and it goes this way, so follow me. This is crazy. It goes through all of this, all the way over, past all these trees, keeps going. It's probably about a 100-foot run across another driveway. And over to a manhole cover. Alright, so here's the manhole cover I was showing you. That sewer line from those bathrooms comes from all the way over there. Yeah, it's about 100 feet before it gets over here. And I want to show you something that's even more crazy. This park sits down here in a gully, so it's down below the city level of where the sewer system should go. Way up there. There's a couple houses up there too as well. So as everybody knows, business flows downhill. Me and a couple of the guys from the city, when we were out here a month or two ago, walked this park for about an hour or two trying to find where this sewer line went, and finally gave up. And I came back a little bit later and I found the solution, and it's crazy. So with those two bathrooms coming all the way from across there and over to this manhole, I discovered that it traveled along the river all the way down. We're going to take a walk. It's an absolute beautiful morning. I'm walking along the river here at the park, and I'm actually walking over top of that sewer line that we showed you coming from the bathrooms into the manhole right along this beautiful Indian River here in Central Florida. Okay, I'm at the end of the park. See, look, I just walked down that trail along the river. Now you can see it way back there is where those two bathrooms were. And along this sidewalk underneath here is where that sewer line goes. Check this out. On the outside of the park, there's some townhomes. And look, everything is down here in a gully. So we got to try to find where this sewer line goes. Stick around. Let's keep walking. We're on a dead-end road, still walking away from the park. We're going to follow this little road down here and see what we find. Ah, bingo. Check this out. A lift station. A lift station is a holding point for sewage to go into, and inside of these big tanks are big pumps that pumps all that waste up out of this gully to the main sewer line. There's two of them. Now we know where that sewer line went. And the crazy thing about it is that park is way back there. I counted, it's over 1,000 yards. How crazy is it that sewage has to travel 1,000 yards to make it to a lift station? That's a pretty darn deep sewer if you ask me. I also discovered when I used my sewer camera out here that the pipe that they used was thin wall plastic, 3034. So that really wasn't a good idea. They tried to cut cost on things, and I believe that the sewer line in general has a lot of bows and dips. It has a hard time making it that 1,000 yards. The moral of this story is cheaper is not always better. It'll come back and bite you in the butt when you're using thin wall sewer pipe. You know, all cities and municipalities end up doing this kind of things to cut costs. But when you have to go underneath driveways and walkways and all that stuff, and especially travel 1,000 yards to make it to a lift station, it's a recipe for failure. So the city knows that now, and they're going to have to find some way of taking care of this problem. So there you guys have it. I hope this video has been entertaining and a little bit helpful. Remember, you know, these kind of things happen all around us every single day, and it's nothing that's affecting me because it's a public park, and I was the one that had to come down here and find the problem out. So don't forget to drop down and hit the subscribe button, tell a friend, give me a thumbs up, share, and until next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.